Peace, family. So I'm back with another one, you know what I'm saying? So today what I wanted to do was, I wanted to do a box opening review, you know what I'm saying? I got my first piece of free merch, you know what I'm saying, from overseas, from Amsterdam. Earthinsoles, you know what I'm saying? Earthinsoles. It's a organic mushroom based company. And they make a lot of insoles, watches, different kinds of like materials solely out of mushrooms. So I was pretty excited when this finally came in the mail, just because I love the idea of organic materials, energy, just receiving things handmade, you know what I'm saying? And it is wrapped up pretty nice and sealed up pretty good as well too. So I think what I got in the mail might have been the bracelets. So, nice. So we got 2 bracelets. Man, this is great, man. I love it, man. His motto is like, if you can't get out to nature, then they'll bring nature to you, which is amazing. So this is one of them, and as you can see, this is all made out of mushroom. Like, this is amazing. Shit is fire with the Velcro. So you can snap it right on. Get the back. This is crazy. It's like an ancient Dogon technology. Like, so it's like non-Hertzian, telluric, and scalar energy. So this is like, it's pretty dope. Here go the second one that came in. These are their little logos. That's on the front. Velcro on one and both still. But I thought this was pretty dope. I definitely appreciate y'all. And I definitely will add a spot for you guys down there in my banner and in my description. Earthinsoles, I'll have the website up here, probably like either down below, or I'll figure out somewhere to put it, but it'll definitely be in the description. I'll have these guys up here as well. You know what I'm saying? But I just wanted to say thank you guys for dropping the merch, sending it through, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, definitely tap in. I'll have everything down below and in the descriptions, you know what I'm saying? Peace and love.